Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use a MetaMask wallet. First, download the official MetaMask browser extension from their website. Once installed, you'll be prompted to create a new wallet or import an existing one using a secret recovery phrase. Remember to write down your secret recovery phrase and store it in a very secure, offline location. This phrase is the only way to recover your funds if you lose access to your device. Now that your wallet is set up, you'll need to add some cryptocurrency. Locate your unique public wallet address, which usually starts with 0x. You can copy this address directly from the MetaMask interface. Then, send your desired cryptocurrency, like Ether, from a trusted exchange or another wallet to this address. Always double-check the address before confirming any transaction to ensure your funds go to the correct place. MetaMask truly shines when interacting with decentralized applications, or dApps. When you visit a dApp, you'll typically see a Connect Wallet button. Click this, select MetaMask, and approve the connection. When the dApp requests to perform a transaction, a MetaMask pop-up will appear. Carefully review all the details, including the amount and gas fees, before clicking Confirm to approve the action. Finally, let's talk about security. Your secret recovery phrase is paramount. Never share it with anyone, and be wary of anyone asking for it. Always ensure you are on the official website of any dApp you connect to, as phishing sites are common. When you're finished using a dApp, it's a good practice to disconnect your wallet to enhance your security posture. Stay safe out there.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.